Good morning, my name is Artur Gugulski. I am a CNC application engineer and sales manager for Fagor Automation. I would like to welcome you in Fagor booth at the FABTECH Chicago show 2019. Here at the show at Fagor booth, we are presenting the latest technology in Fagor CNC 8065, 8070 family, a Q7 CPU platform. The Q7 platform has been redesigned with slim industrial PCNC hardware, allowing to create a device with no battery, no fan, and no moving parts. The new platform will offer enormous improvements in speed and high-speed processing for laser cutting machine. Here at the show FABTECH, we are presenting 8070L laser control. Laser fiber machines are getting faster and faster, so are the requirements for the new CNC laser controls. Q7 platform will improve gap processing time up to 0.5 milliseconds. It will improve frequency of PWM, pulse width modulation, up to 50 kilohertz, allowing you to push your machine fast processing speeds to the extreme limits of your machine mechanical limitations. Here at the show, we are presenting also 8070 laser control with specific laser functions for cut preview and technological tables. The vast resources of the system allows you to load third-party software. At the show, we are presenting LANTEK Expert Insight software for automatic nesting and plate processing. Please stop by in our booth. We are located in McCormick Place, South Building, FABTECH Show 2019, booth number A1417. Thank you, and see you soon at the booth. Go Bears!